The act of observation provides the observer with the opportunity to see and hear and notice and feel the action as if performing it oneself. So let's go through the four. So collegial observations, peer observations, shifts in teaching observations, and informal coaching observations. So we're going to explore those four and what they mean. So the first one, collegial observations. So the teacher spends a lesson or lessons, lesson plus, however many lessons, observing colleagues within the building. It may be that the teacher doing the observing may look at teachers at the same grade level. There's actually a number of tools that I'll be referencing, all tools that are going to help you bring the notion of observation to your teachers in a really strong way. And some tips to really get these up and running and ways that can work effectively is you're really the one that can help set up the opportunity for this to happen, particularly for those teachers in the action and refinement stages where you want to link the observers to their professional growth goals, because that's what you are helping them to move along with. If in your records you know what their professional growth goals are, then you're going to be able to start pairing them up with those people who are further down the track in those kinds of things that they're trying to work on.
When we're in the chapters about making it work for all teachers, these are always self-paced chapters, and this is just a little introduction to what it is that you can get up and do on your own, at your own pace, with the PowerPoint that is chapter 18 on observations.